Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 2. I want to start off with it was great to read your discussion post and just get to know you a little bit more, celebrating with you the idea of getting close to being done with this process, and then just seeing your insights into what you reflectively are seeing as areas that affect you and trying to move forward with those for research. So, again, I look forward to week 2 because we're going to start getting more into it. So, Week two's overall themes, as you can see from the title, is problem, purpose, and subjectivity. So, really trying to look at your areas of concern, taking the starting of research that you've done from the library assignment, and really starting to build what the true problem is and why this is a problem and the purpose of why you're going to then do more research on this. I'm not going to go through the learning outcomes. You'll be able to see them here, but I want to talk about the reading. So, in the reflective practice guide, chapter 6 and 7 really get into that idea of subjectivity with talking about emotions, and then being able to truly be able to decide, what's emotional subjectivity and what's true fact information. So you'll be reading more about that and then getting further into looking at writing a literature review. Is that will be coming up. It's not officially due this week or next, but we'll be getting there. So the discussion board for this week is something that's a little bit different. You are actually going to start writing paragraphs that start forming your problem in what becomes chapter 1. This is what I'll be using to try and give some guidance to, as well as getting information or insight from others about their thoughts or questions they might have for you as well. Don't hesitate clarifying questions as you're trying to help each other push forward your problem and purpose to then really start guiding towards a question. There is no formal assignment due, just the reading. But the discussion board, I'm going to be honest with you, is going to be a little bit longer than a typical discussion board because there's multi-paragraphs that you will be doing to try and lead your chapter 1. So again, you'll see it described as the beginning of your chapter 1 for the discussion board. I'm always available to answer any questions, and I am looking forward to reading everything that you have posted by this Thursday. And please contact me if you have any questions by text or phone call, and have a great week. God bless.